Welcome back. This is Brian from W3 Woodworkings. Just got an order from Arkansas for this cabinet. Now, they are requesting 54 inches instead of the 60 that's in here. Now, with those kind of changes, I love to do that because I can build a furniture to fit your particular house. With those changes, we have to kind of reconfigure the doors a little bit. So what we've done is, this is what the doors are going to look like on this cabinet, which I think are really cool. The other feature they're adding, 2 drawers in the top. So for the next couple weeks, follow me along as I work on this project. Again, this is Brian from W3 Woodworkings on S. Please check the links below. Have a great weekend.